my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get this look. This is supposed to be an Eid look, and as you can see, I'm wearing a kurta, I'm wearing bangles, I'm wearing jhumkas, and yeah, so if you want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I've already primed my face. First I applied the Nivea Soft Moisturizer, and then I primed it with the Wet n Wild All Primer. Yeah, and then now I'm going to use this Fit Me foundation by Maybelline, and also please ignore my hair because yeah, just because I have no explanation. And this is in the shade 122, and we're going to apply it on her face, obviously, like no kidding. And I'm just going to blend this using an angled kabuki brush. I don't even know where I got this from. It's probably like it's not any brand, but it's just something you get at a normal beauty store, and it's really good because I only paid like 20 bucks for this. So yeah, score. You can also use a beauty blender or beauty sponge if you like, but I believe that since it's an Eid look, like people would like to go full glam, and like you get way more coverage with a brush compared to beauty sponge, because obviously sponges absorb the product. So yeah, and once we're done with the foundation, I am going to take this Catrice liquid camouflage concealer. This is my favorite concealer of all time. This is the third concealer that I've been using. Like, yeah, I use it every day. And we are not gonna go bonkers like those Instagram tutorials with the concealer. I mean, for sure, go ahead if you'd like something like that, but then you actually don't need that much of product. But if you're using a beauty blender, then you need a little bit more than this, because again, sponges, they absorb. So yeah, I'm just going to conceal whatever parts of my face needs concealing, if that makes sense. Okay, beautiful. And I'm going to blend it with a normal blending brush. Okay, once that is done, I'm going to use this Stellar Beauty setting powder. This is in the shade Glow 2, and yeah, I'm just going to take a little bit on the brush. You can also take a sponge again and apply it underneath. And a little bit about to set the concealer which I applied in other places. Okay, so once we're done with the setting powder for the concealer, I'm going to still not apply powder to my rest of my face, because I'm gonna give it some space, because it needs to settle in a bit, otherwise it will just move around when I use the powder brush. So till then, I'm gonna do my brows, and surprise, I'm not gonna use any brow gels or I don't know, like anything like that, because I just don't. A good old brow pencil will do it for me. So this is just random brow pencil from some random store. It's probably like 10 bucks and I'm happy with it. What I like about this is like it's not extremely black. It's like a it's got this grayish undertone kind of thing, so I like it. Okay, so now that we are done with our brows, I'm going to use this Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless powder. This is in the shade excuse my voice. This is in the shade 222. That is 222, and we're gonna set my face with it. I don't know like why I just spoke like that. Ignore it. Yeah. I'm just going to take the brush and like dab it on my whole face. I'm just not gonna do this because respect to the foundation. Like you don't want to move the foundation that you just applied like with so much love and like so nicely. So yeah. Next I'm taking this Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette Contour in the shade which I don't know how to pronounce, so I'll be linking it in the description box below. And I'm going to take this and bronze my face a little bit, make it look less fat. I'm just taking this powder and applying it in the hollows of my face so that it gets some color back, because I've taken it completely when I applied like so much foundation and so much concealer. So we need some bone structure here. Okay, so finally we are moving on to the eyes, and I'm using this Tartelette palette. This is in this is the Amazonian Clay Matte palette, and it smells heavenly. It's just, I want to eat it up, but then obviously I can't, because first we're not supposed to eat it, and second it's expensive. And yeah, so I'm going to start with this shade called Natural Beauty and apply it around my crease, a bit over my crease. Yeah, like a transition kind of shade. And to be honest, I don't know what look I'm going for. Let's just pray to God that it looks human, or I don't know. You decide. And I'm just using like small circular motions to blend it. Next I'm taking this chocolate shade called Dreamer and apply it on my crease, or probably define my crease. I don't know the terminologies exactly, but please bear with me. I'm just gonna outline the crease first and then blend it. So like, don't question my skills right now, please. Okay, so next I'm taking this slightly dark brown shade called Multitasker and I'm going to apply it all over my lid because I've changed my mind and I'm going for a smoky eye. Ooh. I love this color. It's so pretty. And once this is applied, I'm gonna blend it all together. And then I'm going to take the same shade and apply it on my lower lash line. Okay, so I've applied some eyeliner, some lashes, some mascara and off camera, and I'm back and I am going to apply this what is this called? The Becca highlighter. This is in the shade Opal and I'm going to apply this in the inner corner. And on the brow bone and on my cheek. And also on my nose. Then I'm taking this blush by InShot. This is number 27, I suppose, because I forgot. And I mean, I cannot read it. So finally I'm taking this liquid lipstick. This is by Anastasia Beverly Hills and it's in the shade Ashton. Yeah. Since we're going with a dark eye, so I thought like I don't want to use any dark color, so I'm using this. So yeah, this is the final look. You can also go in with some setting spray. I haven't because it's 5 in the morning right now and I have to go to bed after this. I just did this makeup look for the sake of this video. And yeah, this is the final look. I really hope you guys like it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It would really mean a lot, and do not forget to ring the bell icon. Also, Eid Mubarak to you guys in advance. I know I wished earlier in the last video, but this is for the people who haven't watched my last video. And also, if you haven't, like, why haven't you? Like, just go. And yeah, I will see you soon.